Today we are going to discuss how to allow leave balance against compensatory off in Zimyo HRMS. Let's get started with the navigation. First, log in on your Zimyo HRMS portal using your login credentials. This will take you to your dashboard. Then go to Time and Attendance option and click on Shift. And you will redirect to Shift and go to right side. Click on Create New. It shows Fixed and Flexible Daily Shift. Click on Flexible Daily Shift and then fill the information: shift name, time zone, and fill in time or out time, total shift duration, minimum hours for half day and full day, and click on More options. Then scroll down and click on Regularization and scroll it and change the toggle as per your requirement on Allow Leave Balance Against Compensatory Off and click on Done button.